In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new method where some affiliates are earning 4 figures per month with the Amazon affiliate program. We're going to take a look at examples of people that are doing this, and then I'm going to walk you through the process so that you can start doing it too. Make sure you watch this entire video because this is going to be really impactful. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna look at some examples of people that are earning 4 figures per month with Amazon Associates, and then I'm gonna walk you through the process so that you can actually do this for yourself. So the first thing that I wanna do is I wanna show you some examples. Let's go ahead and jump into my computer, and I'm gonna show you 2 examples of people that are doing this, and then we're gonna walk through how you can start this too. So what this person is doing is they're trying to get people directly over to Amazon. Now you can't hear the audio, but they're basically talking about how you can earn a coupon, a 90% discount on certain products. So this is just one example of someone doing it. If we look at this example, this person is basically doing the exact same thing. New Amazon promo code. And what they're doing, this is a minute video, but they're basically just walking you through the process and showing you different discounts that you could earn on different products. You can see that there's a 75% coupon on his vacuum cleaner. And this is actually really simple. And this is something that anybody can do. Let me show you a little bit behind the scenes of what they're doing. So with this first person, they're talking about the Amazon coupon. And then what most people will do naturally is they'll want to learn more. And so they're going to click on the person's profile or they're going to swipe left. I'm on the desktop, so I have to click on the person's profile. When you click on the profile and you click on their Linktree account, you can see that they are actually doing something pretty cool here. They have a number of different links that are going all over the place. And so I actually would not recommend that you do it this way, but you could see she's potentially earning money by being an affiliate. You can even see right here, may contain affiliate links in which I earn a commission from purchases. That's a disclaimer that you have to have if you're going to be an affiliate for Amazon. You can see she's got a number of things here. I would actually do this differently, and I'm going to show you how to do it differently in just a moment. The next person, if we look at this person, her name is Gotta Have It Deals. If we look, once again, she's got a link here. This is a better way to do it because this is more branded. I actually would recommend that you do it this way, where you have your own domain name. I'm going to put my favorite web hosting provider, the second link in the description, so that you can have your own domain name and that it can be branded. But if we look at this, once again, she redirects to basically a Linktree. You can actually do this yourself with WordPress, but look at this. If you click on this, this would go over to her Amazon storefronts. We click on that like that. It goes over to her Facebook group, which, I'm not thrilled about, but you could do it as well. You can see, once again, she's got different affiliate links and she is probably making money. So let's go ahead and talk about how they are all doing this. The first thing that you'd want to do is obviously become an affiliate for Amazon Associates. You'd want to go to affiliate-program.amazon.com and sign up. In order to sign up, you need to have a website, a YouTube channel, or an app. So make sure you have one of those 3 things in order to sign up. When you sign up, you're going to have a conditional or provisional acceptance, and you'll get full admittance once you have earned 3 qualified sales within a certain time period. It's either 90 days or 6 months. I don't remember. I've been an affiliate for a number of years now. Anyway, once you have that set up, what you are going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to promotions and then go down to Amazon promo codes. As you can see, I am there now, and that's how these guys are getting these promo codes. Now, before you click off, there's a few more steps that I want to walk you through so that you can actually do this and be successful, okay? So as you can see, there are tons of different promo codes. What I recommend that you do is pick a niche. Okay, you want to be known as the discount guy for automotive, for example. And so you come up with a number of different automotive discounts and you're going to build a following. One of the best ways to be successful online is to pick a niche and stay within that niche. I know it'll be tempting to go out and just create content on anything, but pick automotive or pick whatever it is. Normally women buy most of the products. So if you create something that's geared towards beauty and grooming, that could be a great way to go. But you can see here, you can find a number of these different opportunities. So whatever it is, you're going to click on it. And this is exactly what the other women have done. And as you can see, we've got this razor here. And with this razor, it gives us a 35% discount. Once you add it to the cart, you'll actually be able to see the discount. And that's all these guys are doing, is they're actually revealing discounts that Amazon gives to them. Now, very, very important. And this is the step that a few of them missed. What you want to do is you want to fill out your Amazon store. So if we look at this, my link over here are the TikTok finds that I've created videos on. So if we click on this, you're going to see that I've got a number of these different products. And what you're going to do is you're going to create a video on the product like a commercial. And then I recommend that you add the products to your store so that when people click on your store, they can see these products. And to add the products, it's really simple. You just click on the three dots here, click edit, click add products, and then you can go and find the products that you just clicked on. And then you're going to click that check mark like that. And just like that, it's going to be added to your store. The second to last step is to go ahead and create your website. Now, if you take a look at this, this is my Linktree account. If we clicked on this first button here where it says shop on Amazon, it takes me right over to that Amazon find so people can quickly find the product that I've mentioned or I've talked about. In addition, I've got 2 other links or buttons that they can click on and potentially buy the product. Now, I know this works because there was a woman that actually had a plaque, the same plaque that I've got behind me, where it said that she earned affiliate commissions for recommending a course or a program. So this is actually working right now. All right. And so the final step is just to make the videos. You can make 2 videos. Some of these women are making just 1 video. She has over 220,000 followers. So she can get away with making just 1 video per day. I recommend that you make 2 or 3 videos per day. Amazon has new discounts every single day. And this is something literally anybody can do. You've got a phone, you're an affiliate for Amazon, you just need to create the content. Now, some people are going to push back and they're going to say, hey, Alston, I didn't get my 3 sales within the first 90 days or 60 days, whatever it is. You can always reapply to Amazon, and Amazon's always going to keep giving you those conditional or provisional acceptance. What you'll just have to do is you'll have to create a brand new store. I know it's a pain, I know it's tedious, but if you want to make money online, if you are serious about making money online, you're not going to let minor hurdles and roadblocks stop you. You're going to say, I'm going to do whatever it takes to earn a commission. The other pushback is going to be, hey, Alston, I don't have 1,000 followers, so I can't put my link in. I guarantee you can do one of 2 things. What I did when I started TikTok before they even had or allowed links, I actually put links in the bottom of my video. So if we look right here where she's got these promo codes and stuff, I would type out my link. So alstongodbolt.com/TikTok. And people, if they were motivated enough, they would leave the app and they would type in alstongodbolt.com/TikTok. That's how I actually started earning commissions with TikTok. So I know this works. You just have to keep doing it. Money will not fall out of the sky. It takes consistency and persistence to be successful with any online business venture that you take. But this is one of the best ways to get up and running. Amazon is giving you everything that you need. They're giving you promo codes and discount codes. Everybody likes a deal. Make sure that you pick a niche and stay there. It will be tempting, as I mentioned, it will be tempting to jump on to kitchen and dining and then automotive. But I think that if you target your target audience, maybe men over 30 that are going to be interested in automotive, you can build a very successful business. And once you get 1,000 followers, you'll be able to put that Linktree link or the URL, which I prefer better, put your URL in your TikTok bio, and you'll be able to grow much faster. This is probably one of the best ways to get up and running with Amazon, as long as you're consistent and persistent. Now, if you're looking to grow your affiliate marketing business a little bit further, click the first link in the description, as I've included a few free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to download your planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.